Hello subscriber, welcome to our volcano experiment. Today we're doing a volcano experiment and we unboxed it now. And now I'm going to start on it and you're going to see. This is citric acid and this is sodium
bicarbonate.
When they mix up and you mix them well and put water, they'll explode in the raft.
Oh, they become volcano?
Yeah.
Okay guys, he has got sodium bicarbonate and citric acid. Then we'll put it, stir it well and put some water. And then...
And
kaboom!
Okay, then go. Okay, let's see. Enough. Ouch. Not enough.
Okay,
I should mix.
then
That
we're
one.
going to put... What is this?
Sodium bicarbonate.
No, this is citric acid. We're going to put some citric acid into the component.
Okay, little citric acid. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Enough. There are
Okay, we put some citric acid.
Okay, enough. The citric acid will explode.
Okay, then please stir it well. Let's put some water in it, mister. Let's take it here. Be careful. Put it. Wow! Subscribers, look! The volcano is erupting.
A little bit more, I think.
Yes. Wait, let this finish first.
Oh, there is Gucci. Oh, a little bit more.
Wow! Move back. Be careful. Move back.
No, Mom, okay. I'm wearing safety goggles.
Okay, that's enough, I think. Let it. That's enough.
Seriously,
Let it finish.
Okay, because it has a rough volcano, so it has some secret items inside, so it is rough.
Okay, it has citric acid and sodium bicarbonate.
No. Oh, I think a little bit.
Move back. No more water, please.
Ooh,
Can you tell the subscribers?
not the red. Why is it red?
Because this is lava. This is hot lava.
Let's try it in the sink.
Let's stir it some more. Be careful.
Okay.
No, the volcano is dead. Okay.
Click in the comments if you want to see more interesting videos.
Bye.
Bye.